Lucknow, the undisputed cultural capital of India, with a rich legacy and vibrant heritage. Popularly known as the city of the Nawabs, Lucknow today is emerging as one of the finest growing cities of the country. Nobody ever imagined that one day Lucknow would be hailed with one of India's finest, state-of-the-art and specialized liver, lung and gastro care center, Globe Medicare, prior to which very little was available by way of comfortable and cost-effective treatment. Established in the year 2006 by young, promising and highly qualified doctors, Globe Medicare very soon acquired the status of a par excellence tertiary care center for gastrointestinal, liver and respiratory diseases.
The center is governed by two main departments, gastroenterology and pulmonology. Both these departments are backed by fully developed intensive care unit and operation theatres, along with 24-hour pathological and radiological services. The services of the hospital include outpatient, inpatient and diagnostics, which includes radiology, pathology and endoscopy procedures.
Located in the heart of Lucknow, in the posh Nirala Nagar locality, Globe Medicare has well-equipped private rooms, semi-private, general and daycare wards. The intensive care unit is equipped with mechanical ventilators, non-invasive ventilation systems, invasive and non-invasive monitoring devices and other accessories necessary for intensive care. The hospital also has a high dependency unit for step-down treatment. The OPD hall is always buzzing with activity, with patients from entire Uttar Pradesh and neighboring states. Warm, friendly and well-trained staff gives the patients a secure and homely feeling. The Department of Radiodiagnosis has facilities for ultrasonography with latest GE machine, echocardiography, Doppler studies, X-ray and barium contrast studies. Interventional radiological procedures such as needle aspiration, percutaneous drainage of abscess and other fluid collections, guided FNAC and biopsies are all available under one roof. Round-the-clock pathology services offer fully automated as well as manual blood counts, biochemistry, histopathology, cytology, ABG, coagulation profile and automated chemolucence. Trained lab technicians and experienced pathologists ensure rapid and accurate results.
Endoscopy in gastroenterology has gradually evolved into a fully refined branch. Realizing this fact, we at Globe Medicare have developed a fully equipped ultra-modern endoscopy suite catering to all kinds of diagnostic and therapeutic procedures.
Besides routine diagnostic upper GI endoscopy and colonoscopy, Globe Medicare offers facilities for endoscopic sclerotherapy and endoscopic variceal ligation for varices, dilation of strictures in GI tract, balloon dilation of achalasia cardia, foreign body removal, and glue injection for gastric and ectopic varices. Lower GI endoscopic therapeutic procedures like piles injection, piles banding, and polypectomy are also done routinely. The hospital has the ultra-modern APC machine, which is used to treat bleeding from portal gastropathy, vascular ectasias, angiodysplasia, tumors, solitary rectal ulcers, and radiation enteropathy.
Endoscopy has gradually evolved and encroached into the areas which were previously considered as surgeons' domain only. Important interventions in this respect are ERCP and various kinds of endoprosthesis placement.
Today, treatment of benign and malignant strictures of esophagus, proximal duodenum, and colon can easily be treated with endoscopic placement of various kinds of stents. Similarly, biliary strictures can be treated with endoscopic stent placement. With the advancements of technology, there are various metal stents which can even be removed after some time, making them extremely useful for benign strictures. Another important breakthrough in the field of endoscopy has been capsule enteroscopy. With this technique, even a small bowel can now be visualized, which was previously impossible.
Besides endoscopy, the hepatology has evolved into a fully fledged discipline and is no longer a subspecialty of gastroenterology. At Globe Medicare, we have realized this fact and started a new liver clinic.
The purpose of the liver clinic is to give comprehensive care for all sorts of liver disorders under one roof.
All types of liver disorders including acute and chronic hepatitis, cirrhosis and its complications, alcoholic liver disease and other kinds of autoimmune and metabolic liver disorders are effectively treated in our liver clinic.
The clinic has ultra-modern FibroScan touch machine used to assess liver fibrosis. Besides this, facilities for viral markers which include HBsAg, anti-HCV, IgM-HAV and HEV, HBAG and anti-HBE are also available. A dedicated liver ICU has specially been designed for critically ill liver patients.
Globe Medicare is a dedicated gastroenterological setup. The surgical gastroenterology wing deals with all kinds of complicated gastroenterological procedures.
The operation theatre is fully equipped and designed to carry out all sorts of major and minor gastrointestinal and laparoscopic surgeries. The OT complex lies in a sterile zone designed to ensure complete asepsis.
We do both open as well as laparoscopic procedures. We have a full high-definition camera system from Ascolab, Germany.
In the Department of the Respiratory Medicine, we have the facility for the diagnosis and management of the respiratory disorder in the best form. And we are having the facility from the routine OPD procedures to the most critically ill patients in the ICU, where we are having the mechanical ventilators and the non-invasive ventilators, which is of the global standard.
Chest X-ray, ABG, bronchoscopy and pulmonary function tests are available in the hospital.
We are having backup of the organ plasma coagulation, which is very important for stoppage of bleeding in the patients of hemoptysis and also in the malignancy, where you can do the palliation and the curative things. We are maintaining the global standard to meet our respiratory patients.
with a firm belief of service to mankind is service to God. Globe Medicare is striving to provide the utmost medical care at an affordable cost to one and all.